welcome to my channel. In this video you're learning about factories. Okay, in previous video I have completed the fourth bit. Now coming to the fifth bit, here we have to use a plus b plus c whole square formula. We have to substitute, and when we get substituted we get this equation. Already they have substituted. We have to bring this total equation in a plus b plus c whole square. We have to get in this form this equation. To get this form we have to do the square terms, and we have to decrease the number. We have to do square number. We can write 4 square as 2 square, and 9 square as 3 square, and 16 is as 4z square. So we have tried with that. We have to substitute, and we have to complete this fifth bit, that factorize. Okay, now starting the first one of fifth bit. Now starting the fifth bit, that first one, 4x square, we can write here as 2x whole square, and plus 3 9 square as 3y whole square, and 16 is as 4z whole square. Now you think that therefore a is equals to 2x and b is equals to 3y, and think c is equals to 4z. Now substituting, write the formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now writing the formula. First, once observe here, we are having two minus signs here. Why we are getting the two minus signs? So we are getting here minus sign means in xyz, one of the variable we are having that minus integer. So that minus we have to check. Y, x and y variable we are not having minus. So y and z we are having minus. See here, x and z is also having minus. So we have to think that two terms z and z having the minus. So we have to think that minus 4z. We have to think that z is as minus value. So now substitute with these three values. Now substituting 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square is equals to a is 2x whole square plus b is 3y whole square and c is plus of minus 4z whole square. Now 2ab. So 2 into 2x into b is 3y. So right here as 3y. So plus 2bc. So 2 into b is value is 3y, and value of c is minus 4z. Keep this in bracket because it is in minus value. In previous video I also have said that. So now 2ca plus 2 into c value is minus 4z, and a value is 2x. So now substituting, we'll get here as 4x square to 4x square, and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12x5 we got, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, minus 24z. So 2 4s are 8, and 8 2s are 16, 16x. We got this value. So directly you write here as 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So this is the, so we have to get, I have already said we have to get in this one. So finally we got in this one. So this is the answer of first one. Still we can extend this. This implies 2x plus 3y minus 4z. We are having square numbers, no? Then we are having two numbers. That is 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So we are having two numbers. So we can extend here. So this is the answer of first one of fifth bit factorize. Yes, now coming to the second one, that is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. So now observe here, we are having two minus value again. In previous one also we are having two minus value. Okay, now check. In this xyz we are having one negative sign. That one negative sign we have to find out first only. The first one we will check here. X and y are having minus. Y and z we are having plus. See here, we are having y value here, y variable. So we have to think that y is not a negative sign. So now come to the minus 8xz. We are having z and z. So here already plus. So we have to think that z is also not a minus sign, so we have to think that x and x we are having, so we have to think that x is the minus value of this question. Okay, now coming to the, now write the formula. Second one, first we have to take in square form. We can write 2x square, we are having already x is minus, so 2x square we can write here as minus root 2x whole square we can write, and plus y square, plus y whole square, and plus 8 we can write, 8 we can write here as 8 we can write here as 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means 2 root 2, 2 square, no, then 2 square root means we are having 2 square, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, so we can write here as 2 root 2 z whole square, we can write this 8x square. Now write the values. Therefore a is equals to minus root 2x, and b is equals to y, and c is equals to 2 root 2 z. Okay, now now we completed writing the values of a. Now write the formula. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now substituting, minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square is equals to, now write the values. A is equals to minus root 2x whole square, and b value is y whole square, and c value is 2 root 2 z whole square, and plus 2ab. So 2ab means 2 into a value is minus root 2x, minus root 2x, and b value is y, so write here as y. Then next 2bc, so plus 2 into bc, b is y, and c is equals to 2 root 2 z, and 2ca plus 2 into c value is 2 root 2 z, and a value is last minus root 2x. So write the minus value in the bracket because it is in minus negative value. So with this we'll get, see here, now once check it, we are getting this equation or not. Now once check it, root 2x square is square and root get cancelled, so we'll get here as 2x square. Then y whole square is equals to y square, will get root 2x square is 8z. We are already getting this value. Next see here, 2 root 2 x minus 2 root 2 xy, we are getting here minus root 2 xy. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, we'll get here as 4 root 2 yz, we are getting this 4 to yz. See, plus into minus minus, so we'll get here as 4 root 2, 4 2 2s are 4, and 4 2s are 8, so we'll get here as 8 xz will get here. So we are getting this is the correct form of this second one. So directly write these implies keep in the bracket form, minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. Now these implies minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z, and minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. So this is the answer of second one. So this is our today's video. So fifth bit we are having only two sums. This is the fifth bit, total bit of x is 2.5. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video.